Happy girl. You getting your bonnet on? You're gonna go home. You're going home. And get you in your pretty kitchen outfit. Oh. Is that lunch? No,
she thinks maybe.
That's your hood. Oh, you look so pretty, Isabella.
Alright, take a nice picture for my parents.
This is a video.
Oh, it is?
Oh, you look pretty. Oh, you're so cute in your little shoes. Good girl. That outfit is huge.
I phoned it to Jeff.
iPhone it to Jeff?
Yeah.
Well, this is a camera, not an iPhone.
Well, get your iPhone out, take a picture, and email it to Jeff right away.
Okay. I'm going to stop recording. We love you, Isabella.